Time for the Starlink-Tesla PINN, connecting the world to intelligence. Intelligent Infrastructure Network Nodes, the nervous system for physical AI. Every robot, every autonomous car, van, and truck, every drone in the low-altitude economy. They will all depend on one thing: ultra-reliable, intelligent wireless connectivity at massive scale. Today, that foundation is missing. America has no advanced domestic radios at the scale required, but the pieces are already here. SpaceX has already built Starlink as fiber-from-the-sky backhaul. SpaceX acquired the dish EchoStar spectrum with terrestrial rights. And SpaceX is already building thousands of advanced phased arrays every single week in Texas. This is the foundation for physical AI at scale. Intelligent infrastructure network nodes deployed along every highway, community, and city, connecting the physical world to intelligence. Time to build the intelligent infrastructure manufacturing facility at the Texas Gigafactory. It only requires a small parcel for manufacturing, and Texas SH-130 is the nation's reference corridor of commerce. One decision, one site, proof that the Starlink for the ground moment has begun.
And also because you could distribute the towers every mile or so easily. And
yes.
Yeah. Or just make them look cool, make them look like robots.
Everything that moves will be robotic. Every car, every tractor, every excavator, of course.
In the form of mobility is driverless, automated vehicles, logistics, and automated drones. So
AI will be distributed at the edge, present at the location, and understand the logic of the physical world. This is where AI RAN and 6G change everything. The radio network becomes a distributed AI. Every base station with NVIDIA Aerial becomes an AI computer. And 6G is the connective fabric. Computing, sensing, and connectivity converge. This creates entirely new opportunities for the telecommunications industry. Everything that moves will be robotic.
In closing, we need a platform that and ultimately a set of capabilities that allow you to not just have a network that operates, but a network that becomes execution infrastructure. The legacy, the existing approach in our industry, and certainly us as a traditional supplier in it, has been to build hardware-based solutions that last 5, 10, 15 years. Versus the underlying technology moves at a 2 to 3 year cycle at the longest. And that's really the shift that we're seeing.
So I'm going to go back to that term platform. There will be a platform. That platform will be generating tokens, AI applications. It will also be generating bits, as John called it, which is the radio access network. And
for our country to really reach the scale that it can be, for it to be successful, we need to be the leader in the world of 5G and 6G.
New era we're entering it. From eVTOLs, drones, autonomous vehicles, to space travel, we're in a global race to out-innovate and out-compete the rest of the world.